Hello everyone. Are you a photographer or a wedding vendor looking for ways to attract clients? One of the shortest ways to get clients is to call other vendors for a collaborative shoot. On today's video, I'll walk you through the behind the scene of a stunning bridal inspiration with just natural lights and reflector. If you're interested in knowing how we did this, watch at the end of this video. We show you the setup, the lighting techniques, and the posing tips to help you achieve a cinematic professional bridal portrait. Let's meet the amazing team behind today's shoot.
Hi guys, welcome to today's shoot episode. I don't know the episode, but here is Nancy of Elite Experience, the lead planner of this brand and of this shoot. So stay tuned and watch out as we take you through the process of this shoot. You're gonna love it. You're gonna be wowed. Bye. Mwah.
Hello guys, this is Whisper Media. I'm the photographer for today's shoot.
Hi, I'm Ifatu, the fashion designer of today's shoot. So we are actually here to do a collaboration shoot where few creatives like the photographer, the makeup artist, the fashion designer, event planner. So the reels, the content creators, we all come together to create a real bridal shoot. Do you understand? Where we have a bride and I think you can see.
So you get a bride, we plan, we shoot and execute. So watch this video, we'll show you guys what we created.
Yes.
Cheers. And what's the Instagram handle?
Ifatu, IFE_A_TU underscore.
Underscore, yeah.
Underscore.
Okay, I'm Whisper Media.
Whisper YouTube.
I was recording now. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, the frame.
Hi guys, this is Whisper YouTube. Subscribe to his channel.
I was thinking you're going to advertise your own video.
Oh, hi guys again. Whisper, look on this app out. Hi guys, this is Whisper's YouTube and I'm African Black Chick, Reels by Black Chick, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Oh yo, Whisper. Me and my baby and your vlog. Are you serious?
The first step is choosing the right location. We are shooting outdoor with soft natural light, perfect for that dreamy bridal glow. Ideally, you want even lighting, so we are placing our model where she will get a soft light. Shooting in open shade or during golden hours help avoid hard shadows and create a flattering look for bridal portraits. Now let's talk about using reflector. Natural light is very beautiful, but sometimes it casts strong shadows, especially under the chin and the eyes. A reflector helps bounce light back onto the model's face for a softer even glow. We are using silver reflector to add brightness. We can use white reflector for soft neutral feel or golden reflector. It adds warmth to the skin. It depends on the preference, the one you choose to work with. Now let's talk about posing. For bridal portraits, elegance is key. I have few of my go-to poses for natural, graceful look. Firstly, I ask the bride to look at the camera. I get few shots. Then I ask her to look at her shoulders, look away from the camera, just get few couple of shots. I equally go to Pinterest to source inspiration and poses. From Pinterest, you can have varieties. There are different collection of poses there. Some cases you meet brides that know how to navigate their way and give you stunning poses. But either ways, you pick stuff from Pinterest and have things to your arsenal that can help you get a stunning portrait. One of the best ways to use natural light is backlighting. That is shooting against the sun, placing the sun behind the subject, creating a beautiful glowing effect. We use a reflector and AD200 inside the phone to shoot the model to get a brighter image. Then this will let. Then keep this guy this way. God. Yes, now. Have you eaten? Start coming, start coming. That's why you are interrogating me with all these questions. Oh my name. Chike, can come and hold this one. Look gorgeous. Are you from where? Where in Enugu? Oh, go. All those people they find. You move your hand, just keep it on the bouquet. Yeah, cool. Start coming towards me. Look at the camera while coming. Turn your face this way. No, on me, face me. Then turn your face the other way. Yeah. Potaku, I want that chagin you. That's what I'm keep potaku. Perfect, yeah. Me? Be like. See, I love that. I love this Jesus. This is gorgeous. Chin up, then chin up. That same way. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, say like that. Look gorgeous. Then chin up. Then face this way. Then close your eyes. Yeah, beautiful. Okay, let's go. Can you give me a different pose? Okay, yeah. Can you turn your face this way? Yeah, beautiful. Then come out now. The camera we used for this shoot is CANON EOS R5 and 50mm 1.2.